Hi, my name is John Buford. I'm with GoSafe Systems, and I'm going to demonstrate how to apply the offender tracking, the G737, onto an offender. It comes in a case, all in one. With it is a GPS tracking device that has two optical sides. One is the transmitter, the other the receiver, and it uses a fiber optic band. The other is a charging kit, and the way that it works is it simply snaps on to the tracker and press, and then of course it can be charged. It'll hold a 10-day charge if it's paired with the beacon, either at home or at work or wherever, and the device will be programmed to however many beacons that you need it to be paired with. Once the device has been charged and has been programmed for the server, it will remain on and stay on. There's no way that an offender can shut this device off. It has a built-in SOS button, built-in vibration sensor, everything. It comes complete, it's all built in. The GSM module is all internal, there's no way to get to it. It's a completely sealed, waterproof device. Inside of each one of the bands, there's a little fiber optic glass, and you may not be able to see it, but it's actually a fiber optic glass, and it runs on the inside of this band. You can see a hole on this side and a hole on that side, and it will actually flash through so that what's transmitted is then received on the other side. If for any reason they remove the band, an alert is set to the server. The way it works is simple. The backs are open, stock from the factory. So in other words, you can plug them in, and in fact, it snaps. And you can actually remove it by pressing it in and take it out again. The offender's not going to be able to do that because we have these cases that will snap and cover these, and because it's up against the leg, he cannot remove. Once it's snapped in, it's in for good. There's no taking it out. So my point to you is when the device is secured to an offender's leg, it will then be, when I snap this in, it's there for good. The only way to remove it is by cutting it. And then of course it will be disabled at the server so that you know that you're actually putting it on and taking it off. But for practical purposes, to show you how it works, on every band that we sell with every device, it's extremely long. So what we do is we make it where you can take these 4 screws off of each side that makes this cap head come off. And what you do is you simply either take a straight head razor blade where you can cut. Now there's 2 hard strips on each side to make it very difficult to cut. And there's a fiber optic band in the center of that. You could use scissors, whatever you're going to use to make a 90-degree angle from the edge so that it's a nice, clean, smooth cut so that the fiber optic end is nice and flat. It's not really critical, like a lot of times with fiber optics. It's very, you need a special tool. It's not that complicated. We have a very wide end lens on the inside of this. On either side, they're very big. So anywhere coming close to it, once it's snapped in, it's on. There's no taking it off again. Coming out of the box, these are open. I can remove it by pressing it in. But as I say, in the field, when I'm actually doing an installation, these cap heads are going to cover each side of this, and once I make the connection onto the leg, there is no removing this device. Thank you very much, and enjoy your new product.